Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into how geopolitical tensions spark massive cyber risks and huge financial fraud. Take February 2026. Right after hostilities kicked off, Gulf-targeted phishing and malware spiked by a whopping 130%. It's a terrifying reality, right? When global tensions flare up, digital threat alerts and financial fraud just absolutely explode.
Look at this timeline. February 2026 military strikes on Iran triggered crazy, unprecedented cyber retaliation by that March.
Sure, we saw shady crypto shifts and fake invoice Trojans, but guys, that basic fraud is just the surface. Let's dive deeper. Past the opportunistic hackers, there's state-aligned machinery built specifically for systemic, massive financial extraction. The stark reality here: nation-states aren't just stealing data anymore. They are literally out there robbing banks.
Attackers target the vulnerable seams of highly connected networks, like SWIFT, exploiting the absolute weakest links across the globe.
Traditional war targets physical land, but hybrid, gray zone warfare, it goes straight for a nation's financing and economic stability.
The ultimate goal isn't just disruption. It's secretly forcing a nation into a wartime fiscal state without declaring war.
So check out this mind-bending concept, the disruption pricing loop. It's exactly how this massive cyber fraud basically funds itself.
They place financial bets, launch a deniable cyber attack, and then cash in on the resulting market panic. Wild, right?
Surprisingly, 90% of industrial cyber impacts are just indirect IT disruptions, but they still perfectly trigger market panic.
Attackers spin these localized outages into narratives of total state failure. The goal? To force devastating credit downgrades.
The markets instantly hit back with catastrophic punishment, wider sovereign spreads, forced bailouts, and totally evaporated market caps.
When arbitrage gains exceed attack costs, cyber warfare officially transforms into a scalable, highly profitable, and dangerous business.
This self-funding threat is a massive global risk. It hits vital payment systems everywhere, from Asia to Western networks. Stopping this vicious cycle means entirely redefining national defense. We absolutely need a new, financially aware paradigm of protection.
We've got to integrate intelligence, enact real-time regulation, and build credit firewalls to completely kill the profitability of these attacks.
So ask yourself, is your digital resilience truly strong enough to survive the geopolitical fraud spikes of tomorrow?